Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a popsicle. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start up here at the top of the page right about here, and we're going to start by doing a long curved line that kind of turns into a vertical straight line. So here it starts to go straight all the way down, and then now it's going to start to curve again, and we're going to curve it this way. This is the outside shape of the popsicle. And we're going to go all the way over here, and then we're going to curve back up like this, and then we're going to kind of go vertical again all the way up. And we're going to stop right about there. And now let's start back where we started, and we're going to do some curved inner lines like this to show where someone took a big bite out of this popsicle. Maybe it was me. I do love popsicles, especially on a hot summer day. They're really yummy. Like that. And then back up here, let's give it some depth. So we'll do another curved line like this, one like this, and then one back up like that. And it looks like someone took a bite of that popsicle. Okay, now let's do the bottom, the stick at the bottom, popsicle stick coming out of the bottom. So starting right here, we're going to do kind of a straight line down, and then it's going to curve, and it's kind of like a long U-shaped line. Like if you took a U and you stretched it out, back up like that. And then let's give this a little bit of depth here. So just a curved line like that. Okay, now let's do a face on this popsicle. We're going to do two eyes and a smiley face. So right here, we're going to do a circle for one of the eyes, like that. And we'll do another circle on this side for the other eye, like that. And then let's do some smaller circles inside of that circle for the highlight on the eye. And then maybe an even smaller one down like that. And we'll do the same on this side. So a smaller circle and an even smaller circle there. And now let's color those in black. And this is a happy popsicle, even though it got a bite out of it, but it's still happy. We'll do a smiley face like this, like that. And maybe it's hot out, and maybe the popsicle is melting a little. So let's do some melty lines. So we'll do some wavy melty lines halfway down the body. So starting right about here, we'll do a curved line that curves down, and then back up, and then waves around like this, and then back up like that. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. Okay, I'm gonna make my popsicle red because cherry's my favorite flavor of popsicle. But you can make your popsicle any color you want. And maybe we'll do a slightly darker red for the bottom of the popsicle, so it looks like it's melting a little bit more. And we'll do the darker red in here too, where the bite happened. And then for the stick, we'll do kind of a brownish yellow color. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.